Hi, in today's video I quickly show you this cool Xiaomi Smart Band 8, which costs only around $45 and can be a great start in your smartwatch world to see if you even need one. In this video I will unbox it and test it against the Apple Watch to show you that you don't have to buy at least 10 times more expensive watch to get the same accuracy in heart rate and step data. Also nice is the sleep monitor that shows how many hours you sleep and how good is sleep quality. I have been using this band for 1 month now, and I can recommend it if you want to try the smartwatch and don't want to spend a lot of money without knowing if you need one. But for now, time for background music and unboxing with test.
Talk to me, show me all that hurts you did. Soak my shirt in all your tears, so I can talk with you. Breathe to me, tales of things that haunt your dreams. Set the brush and paint the scene, so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth rubs on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. Shout to me what they made you out to be. Burst the glass and start to scream, so I can shout with you. Cry to me rivers that will raise the sea, creeks of pain and apathy, so I can cry with you. Oh, the gravel spikes your feet, the blood rubs on your knees. So darling, when you're deafened by the noise, I'll be right here and listen to your voice. Oh, Talk to me, show me all that hurts you deep. Soak my shirt in all your tears, so I can talk with you. Speak to me, tales of things that haunt your dreams. Set the brush and paint the scene, so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth rubs on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. Shout to me what they made you